Hello guys. So today we will see how to install the XAMPP application. So mostly the XAMPP application stands for the cross-platform application, which mostly include the Apache server, MySQL, PHP, and Perl. So this is open source platform where we can use the servers. So you can actually Apache creates the web server. So we will see how to install the XAMPP and how to use it. So just to Google it. Um, Google it XAMPP. XAMPP, hit enter. Go on the first link available, XAMPP installers and download for Apache friends. Here you can see the window where you can download the XAMPP for the supported OS. So first one is the XAMPP for the Windows, second one is the XAMPP for the Linux, and third one is for the Apple OS. So from here, as per your requirement, you can download it. So for me, I need to download it for the Windows. So Windows, you need to wait for a while to get it started. Just wait for the 30 seconds, it will start downloading. So see, it got started downloading. If it doesn't get started downloading, so you can click it here to start the downloading manually. So hold on till it get downloaded full. XAMPP is the combination of platform, actually we can say. So you don't need to configure the Apache server to keep your data or create your data on the server side. So it is kind of creating the data on your machine itself. Create so combination of platforms. So you don't have to depend on any server. So you can create your own server. So using the Apache, and you can use your MySQL queries, and you can create your data on that server, and you can use the data. So it is independent to any other application. So it is better for the beginners who are learning the MySQLs and creating their projects. So it is quite easy to install and use. So going ahead, we will see how to install it and how to use that application, how to start the server, how to launch the SQL. While installation, if you find any difficulty, you can just drop a comment in the video site. So I will try to answer your all comments. So downloading is finished now. So you need to open the file, downloaded file from here. Allow the permission. Hit yes. Wait for a while. The setup wizard will get started. So there is a one more warning. So you need to hit OK on the warning. So you can see the setup wizard. So you need to click next. Again click next. So you can configure it on a specific folder, or else you can go with the default location. I'm going with the default location. You can select your native language from here. So here are mostly two language only. So I'm selecting the English. You can click on next. So you can see that it is installed setup. So you can hit and next. So it will get installed. So wait for the process to complete. So here you can see XAMPP is easy to install Apache distribution containing MySQL, PHP, and Perl. So hold on, the process get completed. You can see the process got completed. So do you want to start the MySQL control panel? So you can check it, else you can launch it from the start menu itself. So I'm hitting, clicking on it. Okay, finish. So you can see the control panel of the MySQL which get launched. So here, so your XAMPP get downloaded and installed successfully. So from here you can see this process are not started. It those are in stop condition. So you can configure your XAMPP control from a panel from here. You can editor, you can select the auto start module from here if you want to keep those auto starts while your system get started up. So you can keep those. You can do several types of changes in the control panel itself. Or these are the processes and modules which are available. You can use those. So Apache, if you start it, the server gets started. You can access the web portal of the PHP site and Apache server. MySQL, you need to start to use the MySQL site. FileZilla, you need to start it. Especially individually, you need to start to use those applications. You can configure it from here. So I'm starting the SQL which we need to use. I'm starting here. You can see in green color it got started. You can see the port which is available port, and status you can see here it detected and running. So when you start hit here, so it will get run locally. So you need to hold on just a minute. So here you are creating the data locally within the XAMPP application. So this is the shell window. From here you can create your queries and you can create your data from the shell window. Or else you can start the Apache server, web server. So you can, after running, you can launch your MySQL PHP portal from here admin side. When you hit enter, so you can see from here, you can see your data, whatever data you have created, it will get synchronized with the web portal of the PHP side of the Apache server. So from here, this is the SQL dashboard. This is your MySQL. This is the table. If you create any tables, so those tables get created inside this. Even though you can type your queries and you can run your queries from here also, this is also okay. Else you can use the shell portal to run your queries from here. So this is the process for installation, configuration, and how to use this XAMPP application. So today we have completed the installation process and how to use that application. So guys, thank you for watching.